Hi guys, welcome to Java Express channel. Today I am going to discuss how to set up a Mongo database in Windows 10 operating system. Like a NoSQL database, just I am going to explain how to install from the scratch. I am going to explain today's session. Let me open the Google Chrome. Just here in the Google, just you can type MongoDB download. This is a NoSQL database. Now just click on the first link here. Just you can choose MongoDB community. Here in the right hand side, the current version is 5.0.6. This is the current version, latest version, and just click on download here. Now it will take some couple of minutes. Yeah, based on your internet connection, it will be download. Yeah, almost 10 seconds it is going to download. Then I will be show you how to install also, and then how to start a server and how to run the commands also. I'm going to explain you. Okay, now let me install the MongoDB here. Hope yes, software is downloaded. Now let me open show in folder. Yes, just here right click install here. It may take a couple of minutes to install the software also. Yeah, now this is the pop-up it is displaying now. Click on the next and choose the accept agreements. Click on the next. Here you can choose the complete installation. Just to choose complete here. And okay, whenever you are running the MongoD, this is called a MongoD, is a kind of a server. Okay, and just this is the data directory path and log directory path. Choose the next option, and this by default it is enabled. This is a kind of a GUI. If you want to work with the Oracle SQL developer, MySQL workbench, in the same way for the Mongo also, if you are not interested to work in the command prompt, then you can use the MongoDB Compass. Just you can click here, click on the next and install here. Now it may take a couple of minutes to install the software, and just choose yes here. Now it is taking the time. Update components. Yeah, let it be complete here. Now this is a popular NoSQL databases, guys, where you can store structured data and unstructured data also. Okay, there is a kind of, we are planning to start MongoDB tutorials also from our YouTube channel. Yeah, you can learn here. Okay, it may take a time. Okay, we'll see here. Yeah, it may take 2 to 5 minutes of time. Let it install, guys. Parallelly, you can also open the browser and you can install the software also. Okay, now before that, let me explain another point here. Now once installation is completed, okay, you need to start the server here. Now let me change the font. Let me increase the font to 18. Okay, now installing. Okay, whenever you install, you need to start a Mongo server. How to start Mongo server in Windows? Okay, you need to use two stuff. One, you need to start a Mongo server, and the second part you need to do start Mongo shell also. These two things you need to if you want to work with your Mongo database. Okay, now let me minimize it here, and this is called a Mongo Compose. Now there is a software. Yes, just you got an option called click finish. Just click on finish here. This part is completed. Right now we are not using the MongoDB Compass. Just you can close it here. Okay, let me minimize. Now let me minimize everything. Now here, okay, you are using Mongo server. To start the Mongo server, you need to create a directory. Create a directory in C drive under this name. Just you can use C drive data/db. By default, whenever you are starting the Mongo server, it needs to verify this particular path is available or not. If this path is available, then okay, all logs it will be stored under this folder. Let me open your C drive. Let me open your C drive, and here let me create a folder called data folder. This is the default path. Here you can use as a DB. This is the base directory to start your Mongo server. Okay. Now to start with a Mongo server, just in the command prompt, just you can use MongoD. Just you can use the MongoD. Before going to that, you need to set the Mongo path, MongoDB path. You need to set. That means a MongoDB path setting. Okay. Now where it is available? Now open your C drive. Click on program files, and there is a MongoDB. One folder is created. Open. There is a server 5 version and bin folder. Just copy this particular path. Copy, and in search bar you can use edit system environment variables. You can use environment variables here, and here there is a path. Are you able to see path? Click edit, and here directly you can paste the path. That's it. And click OK, OK, and OK. Now open a new command prompt. From whenever you are setting a Java path, you need to close existing command prompt and then you need to open. Now see here, open MongoD. When you use the MongoDB server is starting now. Just make it enter here. Just make it enter. Now server needs to start. Yes. Now server is started here. There is a default port number. It needs to listen 2701. There is somewhere. Let me search here. 270. Yeah, are able to see here? Now here, this is your port number. MongoDB port number, guys. MongoDB default port number 27017. Let me make it here. Now there is a default port number is 27017. Okay, hope you are clear. Now how to start Mongo shell? Now here again open new command prompt here, and this time type here Mongo. Then this is nothing but a Mongo shell. Okay, now here you can apply your all Mongo commands here. Now just simplicity I'm showing here. Show DBS. That means just semicolon enter. Now it will be show you the existing DBs in your application. Later on time I will be discuss how to insert a document, how to update, how to delete, how to retrieve. In the later on sessions I will be discuss. So this, when you got this option, means your MongoDB is installed successfully in your system. Okay, so today this is all about, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and just you can click on the bell icon. You will get notification updates. Thank you, guys.